Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our class. My name is Marta Isabel Díaz Ramirez. This semester I'm going to be with you. Okay. In my case, I have three levels. So I have level number 4, level number 3, and level number 5. Okay. I'm going to show you how it works a virtual campus. Okay. So let's go to this level. So please don't forget that we have level number 3, number 4, and number 5. Any of them, it has the same organization, so please don't worry, okay? So, for example, in this visual campus, it's important to take into account the course agenda, okay? In this course agenda, we have some recommendations to take into account in terms of time, dates, okay? So please don't forget that you need to complete the course overview after exploring the virtual campus. That we have some suggested submission. So in this case, that is August 30th. You are invited to participate in our weekly classes. So you can check your class in the section academic meetings. So in each module, we have some lessons. In module number 1, so we have lessons. And please don't forget to work on those activities and take into account the suggested submission. Okay, in this case, lesson number 1 activities, lesson 1 to 3 is workbook number 1 and the project. So you are invited to participate or to complete those activities from the previous week until September 20th. And the deadline is November 15th. But please don't forget that we need to register your grades and upload your grades in SAC. Okay, so the first section for our feedback is going to be from that is September 26th to September 29th. Okay, so please don't forget these dates because it's important to take into account to give you feedback. Okay, in module number 2 we have similar, we have lessons, workbook, and in lesson number 2 we don't have a exam. Instead of having an exam, we are going to have a cultural activity and we have the project. Okay, in module number 2 you are invited to complete a project similar to the previous semester. That is a blog to develop our writing activity, our writing task. And in module number 2, the idea for project number 2, project task 2, is for developing speaking. Okay, and that module number 2 opens on September 1st, and the idea is to complete all the activities on October 20th. The deadline November 15th, and the feedback is going to be from October 24th to 28th. Finally, module number 3, so we have the lessons, we have the workbook, and we have the final exam. Our module number 3, we're going to begin that lesson or that module on October 1st, and it's going to be until November 15th. Please don't forget that the final exam is going to be from this activity begins on November 16th and it ends until November 20th. Okay, and we need to complete our feedback from November 2024. Okay, so please don't forget that on our virtual campus, so we have this section in which you are going to find weekly some recommendations for our classes. Okay, in this section, course overview, click there. Please go to this section that is course presentation here, and please, I recommend you, please read very carefully, start, and he leído la presentación del curso. You really need to select, to choose, okay? And the idea is to record your choice, okay? Here. And also in this section, course overview, please don't forget to complete the exam, or in this case, that is, one second here, that is there. course presentation questionnaire. Okay, after exploring your virtual campus, you are invited to complete this course presentation questionnaire. Okay. Okay, so please don't forget that after course overview we have academy meetings in this section, so it's possible to have our schedule, our planning for our classes. So here we are going to find, we are going to use the same link in order to have our classes, the same link that I have already sent to you to your emails. And this week we are going to have this agenda. Obviously, according to each virtual campus is going to be different, okay? And after the class, we are going to have the recording and the slides that you want to check or verify or download, you can use it. This one is similar to English number 4, English number 5, English number 3, okay? So for example, in English number 3, is similar. So do you see, obviously there is organization that is similar in all the levels. And please don't forget that in each level we have some recommendations for each module that you need to work on the lessons, the course overview. You are invited to participate in the English club, in the tutoring sessions, and our classes. You have to work on your workbook, complete your writing project, and you have to enroll, complete your small process, and receive feedback. Okay, here we have the lesson and workbook, okay, to complete. And finally, in the section evaluation, you're going to find your projects, how to work on your projects, okay, your writing project and your speaking project. In the following, we are going to work on this activity, okay, and then we're going to verify the speaking tags, okay. And also in this section, evaluation is the exams are going to be here. Obviously, in that moment they are not available because we are editing them. So please don't worry. So please don't forget. I mean, my name is Marta Diaz, and I have English level number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, and my email is martadiazr@usta.edu.co. Okay, thank you for your participation. So see you in class during this week.